Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to 5-Minute Solution. In today's video, I'll show you how to stop unknown friend requests on Facebook. But before we get started, make sure to leave a like in this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification by pressing the bell icon. So without any further delay, let's go straight into the video. First of all, if you're using your Android device or iOS device, you have to open up your Facebook app. After opening the Facebook app, you need to click on that three line you can see on the screen. Click on that. Then you need to scroll down simply. And after scrolling down here, you can see settings and privacy option. So from this option, you have to click on privacy shortcuts. After clicking on that, here you can see there is privacy option. So review a few important privacy settings, you have to click on that. And then here you can see how people can find you on Facebook. So you have to click on that. So here you can see, here you have to click on continue button. So as you guys can see, my pending friend request. So there are so many requests. So if you want to any kind of friend request from unknown person, you simply have to click on that, and then drop down menu you can see you have to set this on friends of friends. Alright guys, so after that you have to click on next, and then here you can see choose who can look you up by your phone number and email address. So I am selecting this only me phone number, and also that email I'm setting that only me, right? So you have to click on that next button. After that, do you want search engine outside of Facebook to link your profile? You have to turn that on and simply can next. So as I am not gonna do that, I'm just turn this off, and I've just showed you guys how you can actually set. Okay, so you have to click on next, and then you can click on review on another topic. Alright, so this is how you actually now only your friends of friends can find you. So if any one of you from your friend want to send friend request, they can send your friend request, but if any kind of unknown person want to send you friend request, they actually cannot do that. So I hope you guys understood how you can do this. And if you guys have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask anything in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and stay with 5-Minute Solution.